Bilal loved Saturday mornings. The sun was warm and the street was quiet, the perfect time for a game of cricket. He and his friend Zion were setting up their wickets made of old plastic crates. "Ready for my fastest bowl yet?" Zion asked, tossing the red ball into the air. Bilal gripped his bat tight and found his stance. "I'm ready," he shouted back, his eyes focused and bright. Thwack! Bilal swung the bat with all his might. He connected perfectly with the ball. It soared high into the blue sky, flying far over the garden fence of the house on the corner. Then came a sound that made everyone freeze. Crash! The ball had gone straight through Mr. Kapoor's front window. Bilal and his friend Lila stood perfectly still, their mouths hanging open in shock. "Run!" Zion whispered, already dashing toward the end of the block. Lila didn't hesitate. She turned and sprinted after him. "Come on, Bilal. Run before he sees us," she called out over her shoulder. Bilal's heart hammered against his ribs like a trapped bird. He looked at his friends disappearing around the corner, then at the jagged hole in the glass. He felt like running, but his feet stayed glued to the pavement. The front door of the house creaked open. Mr. Kapoor stepped onto his porch, holding the red cricket ball in one hand. He looked over his spectacles at the empty street, his face etched with a deep frown. "I'm sorry, Mr. Kapoor," Bilal said, his voice trembling as he stepped forward. "It was me. I hit the ball too hard. I didn't mean to break your window, but I will help you fix it." Mr. Kapoor sighed. Then a small smile touched his face. "It takes a lot of courage to stay and tell the truth when everyone else has run away, Bilal," he said kindly. "I appreciate your honesty very much." Bilal spent the afternoon helping Mr. Kapoor sweep up the shiny shards of glass. He learned that while accidents happen, telling the truth is the best way to fix them. He felt much better than if he had run away.